First, rain is nature's gift from the sky. In it, we have to find the beauty of life. Second, when it rains, the ground can become desolate, and the mind can become dark and gloomy. But there is soil in it for seeds to grow. Third, rain is the process of creating light through the darkness. So, when you overcome difficult times, you have to trust the light. Fourth, rain is a sign that accelerates the brightness of the air. The fourth, rain is a natural process that nature tells us, and we can find a solution in it. On a precious rainy day, let's focus on self-improvement and move toward a high goal. So today, even on a rainy day, you have to believe in yourself. Keep it to the end and run toward your dream. Rain is only a process of overcoming the difficulties of life, and in the end, it is preparing for a happy moment with a clear sky. A raindrop. Don't lose courage and faith at every step of enduring difficult times. And since it is a rainy day,